Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, October 11th. A cooler day is in store for the Mid-Atlantic region. In fact, it looks like a relatively cool period for the next 3 days or so. We'll turn warmer again over the weekend. It has been quite warm during the month of October so far in the Philadelphia, D.C., New York City corridor. More than 7 or 8 degrees above normal so far. However, again, a temporary cool break here over the next few days, thanks in large part to an ocean flow of air that is developing around a large high-pressure system over the southeastern part of Canada. We've dealt with large high pressure to our north, across the northeastern U.S. or southeastern Canada for several weeks now, actually, and it's playing a role in the tropical season, and it's going to produce a nice northeast flow of low-level air for D.C., Philly, and New York City, and that'll keep us cooler right through Friday with occasional showers, touch of light rain or drizzle on Thursday night, and Friday, and certainly occasional showers during the transition day today from the very warm conditions of yesterday to much cooler conditions for the next couple of days. Before we get into the local weather, let's take a look at the tropics. There is a tropical storm out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, Ophelia, not far from hurricane status, sustained winds around 65 miles per hour, very close to hurricane status. Certainly can reach hurricane status over the next couple of days, but no threat to the U.S. It'll continue on a northeast track like this over the next 2 to 3 days or so. Certainly, again, no threat to the U.S. Let's now take a look at the local weather conditions for the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, here's the latest radar imagery loop from NOAA's website, and there certainly are some showers already in the D.C. western suburbs of Philadelphia, headed towards New York City. Occasional showers, can't even be a burst or two of moderate rain in this mix over the next several hours here. Again, some decent rain now across south central Pennsylvania. Light rain in and around D.C. and certainly some of the far northern and western suburbs of Philly in on the light rain already. If it's not raining in the Philadelphia metro region where you are right now, it should be over the next hour or two. And this will be the kind of the pattern all day with scattered showers, maybe even an embedded thunderstorm or two, especially south of the Mason-Dixon line. We already have low-level air out of the northeast. Certainly will be noticeably cooler today and will stay noticeably cooler today. High temperatures in D.C., Philly, New York City, probably in the low 70s, some 10 degrees cooler than it has been for the past couple of days. Well, let's walk through last night's 6Z GFS model run. A couple of key players here. First of all, we talked about, strong high pressure sitting here over the southeastern part of Canada, slowly moving to the east. And here's the low pressure associated with a cold frontal system that is enhancing the shower activity in the Mid-Atlantic region right now. Again, we already have northeast flow of air. Winds flow clockwise around high pressure systems. That kind of a flow in this particular geographical region will produce an ocean flow, cooler temperatures for this time of the year. Let's move forward now in 6-hour increments. And here we go for early this afternoon. Continuation of some shower activity associated with the low pressure area over the Midwest. And again, high pressure sitting to the north of the region here, giving us an east to northeast low-level flow of air. And that'll be the case for the next couple of days. Here is Thursday morning. Still strong high pressure over southeastern Canada, keeping that ocean flow in place for D.C., Philadelphia, New York City. Probably high temperatures in the 60s on Thursday and Friday, even cooler than today, given that east to northeast low-level flow of air. And again, certainly can have light rain or drizzle anytime on Thursday night into the day on Friday. Lots of clouds the next few days, and really a welcome break from the recent very warm conditions for the early to middle part of October. Here we go by Friday morning. That high is still influencing the conditions here. It is indeed moving off the coastline. Still an east to northeast flow early Friday. Still expect a cool day on Friday. Lots of clouds, maybe a touch of light rain or drizzle. But once that high completely moves off the coast, and here we go. By Saturday morning, that low-level flow of air out of the east to northeast will be gone. We'll have more southwesterly low-level winds, warmer weather coming for the weekend. Probably partly sunny skies both Saturday and Sunday, in the 70s on Saturday for highs, and probably 80 to 82 degrees in the DC, Philadelphia, New York City corridor for Sunday afternoon high temperatures, and most likely a rain-free weekend. The next weather maker will be this frontal system in the Sunday night time frame. Could bring a few showers to the Mid-Atlantic region Sunday night, and then by the time Monday kicks in, we'll have cooler conditions, probably 10-degree drop-off from Sunday to Monday, back to low 70s on Monday, with another relatively nice, cool, high-pressure system moving in for the early part of next week. So certainly cooler today, tomorrow, and Friday in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City. Occasional showers today and tonight. A touch of light rain or drizzle at times on Thursday night, and Friday. Warmer this weekend, probably rain-free, partly sunny skies both Saturday and Sunday. 70s on Saturday, maybe 80 to 82 degrees or so on Sunday. Then another cool front brings cooler conditions for early next week, back to near 70 degrees for highs next Monday. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.